Now, are you using pirated office software because you find the genuine software prices to be very expensive? Because yes, let's be honest, the most common productivity suites available in the market can be pretty expensive, costing over 200 ringgit for a subscription per user. But did you know there are other alternatives out there? Well, WPS is one of those alternatives that is packed to the brim with features and it's free. Yes, you did not have a seizure, it is free. And the best part is that it is not web-based, so you can even work if your internet goes crazy or if you don't have any. Now, being productive nowadays isn't like before. You can't just have a pen and paper and get everything done. Instead, you have to deal with things like PDF, Word document, spreadsheets, sheets. Without this, you're practically handicapped. So WPS offers a whole productivity suite that allows you to deal with all of these documents easily. So WPS has a writer for your Word documents, a spreadsheet for your spreadsheets, and a presentation for presentations as well. I know, the names are so on the nose, and that's the reason why I like it, because it's simple and uncomplicated, so we are off to a good start. So some of you have been dealing with alternatives like Google Docs, Google Sheets, or Google Slides, or even apps like LibreOffice. Now those apps are good, but when it comes to compatibility, it is a headache. For example, you have all your document draft all formatted and ready to go, only to have your co-workers or your clients opening the document with a table flying into the document, middle of nowhere, where words jumble up looking like a 5-year-old eat your work. Now, that does not happen with WPS, as it supports over 45 file formats, over 46 languages. So if you need something universally compatible even with Microsoft Office or Pages in macOS, well, you'll not only be able to open those files but also to edit and save them natively in that format. Now, one thing that WPS does out of the box that does not come with many of its competitors is the ability to open and edit PDF files without any hassle. Now, this is a part of a larger toolbox that allows you to edit, merge, convert, and even fix PDF documents. So with this, WPS is not only a great alternative to Microsoft, but also to Adobe as well, since Adobe costs a bomb. And there's even a resume builder built into WPS for all of you who are looking for better opportunities. Now, one of the most interesting features that I've seen on WPS is the ability to do the screen recording function, which allows you to record what's happening on the screen. Now, this would be very useful for those of you who are creating tutorials or how-tos, and you can use your smartphone or your tablet's camera to scan documents with WPS as well. Now, all of this sounds too good to be true, doesn't it? Well, it is true. It also has a pretty polished interface that is very familiar and also functional. Now, you have everything where you're used to, with all of the options available at a glance. The top of the interface has a very easy to access copy and paste functions, and your formatting and customization options, which includes paragraphing in Writer, slide customization in Presentation, and formula and formatting in Spreadsheets, is very much easy to access, as WPS has made most commonly used functions available with a simple click and have made it easy to use and interact with. Now, the biggest plus, at least in my books, is the fact that all three apps are available in a single window. Unlike other options, WPS launches a single app that allows you to access Writer, Spreadsheet, and Presentation all within a single window of the app. Now, this is also true for the PDF tools, where each instance of these apps will appear as a new tab in the interface, so you don't have to dig through multiple windows within your PC or your laptop when you're multitasking. And of course, each tab can also be made into its own window whenever you need to cross-reference between two or more documents. Then, as mentioned, WPS is a cross-platform which has its own cloud and collaboration tools, where you'll be able to work on the go with WPS across macOS, iPad, iOS, Android, and Windows, where the app seamlessly integrates across all of these platforms with WPS Cloud. Now, what's more is that the interface remains mostly the same and is focused on productivity across all platforms. And it goes without saying, there are some optimizations to fit the new form factor of the device that you're working on. So what if you want to go above and beyond all the basic stuff? Well, all the essential features are available for free on WPS, but there is a paywall that also exists for certain advanced features, including converting between formats and advanced PDF editing. But it does come with a 7-day trial, and after the trial period is only at 79 ringgit 21 cents for 6 months, or only 125 ringgit and 10 cents every single year. Not monthly, eh? And getting the premium not only gives you extra features but also allows you to get rid of ads. On top of that, I have some good news, because since you guys are watching this video, thank you so much, you'll be able to get a 3 months off for WPS Premium for free. Now the offer is only limited for the first 500 of you who can use this code over here when you sign up for WPS. But if you decide not to pay for the advanced features, writer, spreadsheet, presentation and basic PDF functions are absolutely for free. So do give WPS a try and tell me what you think of the app in the comment section below, and let's discuss it over there.